Hello friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Jagdish. In this video, we will learn how to place record and dashboard on Lightning pages. If you want to learn more about report and dashboard, so please watch all video of this playlist. Let's start. Go to edit page option, which is available here in setup. Now this is our home page. Now I want to add here dashboard first. Simply write here dashboard. After that, drag and drop here. Here we can see dashboard is added top of the home page. It contain dashboard name is account dashboard. We can write here maximum height of this dashboard component. After that, I want to add reports here. Write here reports and drag and drop here. After that, click here activation. Here we can see if you want to share this home page to some app or profile, then simply click here assign to apps and profile and select here apps if you want to share this home page. After that, simply click here save. Here we can see that in home page dashboard is added here, and here reports is also added. In this way we can add records and dashboard on Lightning pages. Please like video and subscribe my channel for upcoming video. Thanks for watching.